It's raining. I don't think you guys can see. It's raining. It's thunder. I don't know why. In the morning it was like 30 something degrees. Now it's just like raining. What's the time? Oh my god, was that thunder? Don't tell me it's thunderstorm now. Wait. It's 3 o'clock. It is 3 o'clock. It was raining before, like heavily, but when it came in, it stopped. I reckon it's gonna rain again. It's raining a bit. So, oh my god, it's really windy. I need a jacket. I'm just in shorts. Oh god. Well, I don't know. I'm getting water all over me. It's I'm wiping the camera. The camera's getting a bit wet. Okay, now it's getting windy. Oh god. Trees! Trees! I'm going in the garage. Okay. Now you can see a bit more clearer. So, also, happy 1st of December, or 1st of summer. And it's raining! Hooray! On the first day of summer, it's raining. Oh my god, I just heard something behind me. More thunder and lightning. I need to end it here, or else the camera will stop. Because I only have 2 minutes and 37 recording time. So, yeah. Bye.